Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am showing you my Inktober 2019 drawings. I hope you will enjoy the video. This year I didn't have anything planned, no theme or prompts, and wasn't really in the right frame of mind for Inktober. I also didn't have much time to invest than last year, when I drew a lot of detailed animals. However, I managed to end up with 31, actually 33 drawings, and on average was only 1 or 2 days behind. I didn't really follow the official prompts list much. And for the few detailed drawings I spent more time than for the more cartoon-style drawings. And for those, I took inspiration from these 4 books by Christopher Hart. I recently discovered his YouTube channel, and if you like to learn how to draw cartoons, I recommend that you check out his channel where he shares loads of tutorials. The link is in the description. Drawing along with his books not only teaches you new drawing skills, it's also fun and you can put your own mark on it. I started Inktober with this drawing of a snake. I thought it kind of worked with the official prompt, which was ring. On day 2 I didn't really have much time and little inspiration, and so I revisited a cartoon character I created when I was 13 years old. I should practice my new wave girl more often. On day 3 I drew this cat. And on day 4 I drew 2 versions of this platypus. And on day 5 this cute surprised looking penguin. All of these came from Christopher Hart's books. On day 6 I had more time to draw and the official prompt was husky. On day 6 I had more time to draw and the official prompt was husky. On day 7 I drew these 2 versions of a cartoon deer. On day 8 I drew this bouncy kangaroo. Last year I also drew a kangaroo, but much more detailed. The prompt for day 9 was swing, so I drew this moose pushing a swing. The prompt for day 10 was pattern, so this cartoon giraffe worked well with the prompt. Last year I drew this more realistic baby giraffe and it took way longer to finish. The day 11 prompt was snow. And the prompt for day 12 was dragon. I live in Wales and the Welsh dragon is red. I therefore decided to add color to my dragon using Winsor & Newton Pro markers. On day 13 I drew this cute cartoon lion. And on day 14 this Westie. Last year I drew this lemur, and this year I tried my hands at a cartoon version for day 15. On day 16 I decided to draw just the head of our cat based on this photo. On day 17 I didn't have much time, so I was glad I could resort to another of Hart's cartoon animals. I think this Dalmatian is quite cute. The inspiration for day 18 came from this calendar. On day 19 I drew this cheetah. Last year I drew this cheetah family. The cheetah, the sea lion and the pelican were all quick to draw and based on this book. On day 22, 23 and 24 I wanted to try something different. Human faces. The inspiration came from this book. The face I drew for day 24 was completely made up. For all these faces I used my Pro markers again. And they're not so easy to use on this paper. You can see that they have bled out a bit. On day 25 and 26 I used this book as a reference. And on day 27 I drew this cartoon otter. Last year I drew this sea otter. I had more time on day 28, so I decided to draw a more detailed picture of an otter based on this reference. All the while I was on average one drawing behind. Which explains why this raccoon from day 29 was simpler and another one of Hart's cartoons. For day 30 I decided to draw this cartoon turtle. I wanted to finish Inktober with a more detailed drawing, and because the 31st of October is the day of Halloween, I ended up drawing this black cat with a pumpkin. So there you have it, quite an eclectic mix of drawings from super simple and quick to draw to more elaborate. I will definitely try to draw more and work my way through the books I've got and keep practicing. It makes a welcome change from sculpting with polymer clay, and it is less messy. I hope you enjoyed this tour of my Inktober sketchbook. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy drawing until next time.